Today I'm going to guide you through how to turn on the explicit restricted mode on Spotify. So we're gonna start off by opening up Spotify. So once you've opened up the app, we want to go up here in the right corner to see our icon here. We're gonna press that and then we can see here. So I'm gonna press settings. And as you can see here, it says account, language, and then explicit content, which, contains swear words or maybe inappropriate words. So to turn that off so that we don't see any songs or going to be able to listen to any songs with any inappropriate words, we're gonna press this button on the right side, press that, and now as you can see in my song here, it disappeared. That's because I'm not gonna be able to listen to it anymore or even search it up. So that's how you do it. And that was it. Easy as that, as usual. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and leave a comment. And we'll see you on the next one.